Don't get it twisted, could cut you off instant, and I'm about that business, babe.
What's up, everybody? It's Glam by Grace Face. Welcome back to my Real Ass YouTube channel. It's just another day in paradise, baby. In fact, today I am packing for a cruise, and I just thought that I'd make a quick little video on my top 5 necessities for a cruise. These are just necessities if you're going anywhere, if you're going out of the state, out of the country, on a cruise, whatever. You're obviously not gonna want to forget these 5 items. First, I mean, this is obviously a given, but you would be surprised how many times I've traveled with someone and they forget their stuff. Okay.
It was a little hot and I just came here. Looked our shower.
So what I was saying was the first thing is your passport. You don't want to forget that, or your ID if you're not going outside the country. So real quick, second thing on my list of 5 most important things to bring on a trip, more importantly a cruise, is your meds. Don't forget your crazy pills, guys, the red and the blue, guys. Just kidding. In my case, my crazy pills are Juice Plus. If you haven't heard of it, you're sleeping on them. It's fruits and vegetables in capsule form. It seriously bridges the gap when you're partying too hard, or when you're on vacation and you just want to eat super unhealthy, or just in general. Like, I've been taking this for years. It's amazing. And also it's the garlic and the vitamin E pills. So that's my second thing on my list. Pablito. What is this? I thought there was 5 things and I'm looking at 4 right now. The third most important thing to me is feminine hygiene products. Since I got an IUD, my period has been so sporadic. I don't know when it's coming, when it's going. So I always have to have a backup. In my case, it's a Flex cup. I'm not sure if you guys heard of this company, Flex. I'm not sponsored by them at all. These are seriously amazing for mess-free period sex. You just pop one of these guys in before you go to Pound Town and you're seriously set. Third on my list is a charger, your phone charger. In my case, it's a portable. This one is a My Charge. It's good because you can just use it in the wall at home, or you can use it on the go. So I really like these chargers. And you'd be surprised, I'll travel with people and they forget their phone charger. Like, that's the last thing I'm going to forget, people. Okay, and last but not least is the Dramamine. I got the 24-hour all-day motion sickness relief. So fingers crossed. Only other times I've been on a cruise, I found out I was pregnant after the fact. So I'm not sure if I was actually nauseous because of the cruise or because I was pregnant as fuck. But this time, I'm 100% sure I'm not pregnant. So we will find out if I get motion sickness or if I just was like hormonal. Sorry, I just got interrupted. Those are my top 5 things I think you should bring on a cruise or on a trip out the state or out the country. I hope you guys enjoyed that short ass little video. And if you ever want to see your family, oh, that's not what I meant to say. If you ever want to see this face again, subscribe and turn your notifications on, because I post like once a year. So tune in.